Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and in this video I'm going to show you how to download theme or how to change your laptop theme in Windows 11. So in Windows 11 there are few themes which you will not love, but if you want to download new themes, so that is an option with you. So when you come to this setting, so personalization setting, click on themes. Okay, there are by default a few themes. These six were by default themes, but the one I downloaded is this. Okay, so what actually I wanted to tell you, I just want to download new themes. So if you want to download new themes, either that is dark theme or light theme, you can do that. What actually you can do is get more themes in a Microsoft Store. Okay, when you click this, you will go to Microsoft Store. But there is one problem. If you are not logged in, then you will not be able to download. You must log in with your Microsoft account. So here you can see my Microsoft account, Outlook account. So here are the themes which you love, and they are some of the dark themes, and mostly they are the lights. If you love natural themes, whatever you love, here is the thousand of new themes you can download to your Windows 11. So let me download this Snowy theme. Okay, so when I click on this, it is loading, and once it is downloaded, so they will give you an option that your theme is ready to install. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so our theme. Okay, we come to this page and they say get this theme. Yes, we are going to get this, and let's wait for some time. It is installed or it will download. It will be downloaded now. Okay, so guys, the theme has been downloaded, and now you should simply click on the apply button. Once you click on the apply button, so it takes a few seconds to be installed on your system, and I click on that. It takes time, and you can see it is downloaded here. And let's wait for some time. Why it is not? So once it is done, here they will tell us that your theme has been installed. I don't know what's the reason. It is not installing, but it must install. Okay, okay, guys, the theme has been installed. Let me download another theme, and this theme is going to be something related to the nature. So that's going to be. I think that this picture is good. This is the best picture, and this is the best theme. Actually, this is a theme, not a picture. It is a theme, and it will be applied to your laptop or desktop. So click on get this theme. Once you click on this theme, let's know about this theme a little bit. So you own this theme and it will download now. So you can see here is some of the details, and they are the themes you may like, and these are the screenshot. These are the pictures which are the included in this theme. Like with the passage of time, the theme will change. Like each time you upload, each time you come and refresh your uh, page, or the theme will automatically change as it is coded. So let's wait. We are getting another theme, and we will have it in our system in a few minutes, even in a few seconds, and it will appear here once it is downloaded. So let's await. So guys, the theme has been downloaded and it is installed on my system, If you like this video, so and if you think this video was helpful, so you can please like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.